Hello friends, today we will start question number 15. Answer the questions on the basis of the details given in the table below. Type of mango, बादाम, तोतापुरी, आफूस, लंगड़ो, केसर, दशहरी और रेट पर केजी है 70 रुपीज़, 45 रुपीज़, 60 रुपीज़, 80 रुपीज़, 140 रुपीज़ and 50 रुपीज़. तो let's start. Question number 1. Rekhaben bought 4 kg badam mango. How many rupees did she pay? Rate of 1 kg of badam mango rupees 70. रेखाबेन है वो 4 kg बादाम मैंगो खरीदते हैं. सो 70 रुपीज़ इंटू 4 kg इज इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 280. सो रेखाबेन पेड रुपीज़ 280 rupees. Question number 2. Niketa Ben bought 3 kg Totapuri mango and Sudha Ben bought 5 kg Apus mango. How much money did they pay individually? Answer number 2. Rate of 1 kg of Totapuri mango is equal to rupees 45. Nikita Ben bought 3 kg Totapuri mango is equal to 45 rupees into 3 kg is equal to rupees 135. Rate of 1 kg of Apus mango is equal to rupees 60. So Sudhaben bought 5 kg Apus mango is equal to rupees 60 into 5 kg is equal to 300 rupees. Question number 3. Dilip Bhai buys 5 kg Langdo mango and Alkesh Bhai buys 3 kg Kesar mango. Who will pay more money? How much? Answer number 3. Rate of 1 kg of Langdo mango is equal to rupees 80. Dilip Bhai buys 5 kg Langdo mango is equal to rupees 80 and 5 kg into 5 kg. Therefore answer is 400 rupees. Rate of 1 kg of Kesar mango is rupees 140. Alkesh Bhai buys 3 kg Kesar mango is equal to rupees 140 into 3 kg. Answer is rupees 420. Alkesh Bhai will pay more because Alkesh Bhai pays 420 rupees and Dilip Bhai pays 400 rupees. Therefore, Alkesh Bhai will pay more rupees 20. Question number 4. Ashok Bhai buys 23 kg Daseri mango and gives a note of rupees 2000 to the shopkeeper. What amount will the shopkeeper return back to him? Answer number 4. Rate of 1 kg of Daseri mango is equal to rupees 50. Ashok Bhai buys 23 kg Daseri mango is equal to rupees 50 into 23 kg. Answer is 1150. Ashok Bhai gave a note of rupees 2000. Therefore 2000 minus 1150. Therefore answer is 850. So the shopkeeper returns back rupees 850. Question number 5. Rakesh Bhai has rupees 240. He buys Apus mango from one fourth of the rupees he has and Totapuri mango from the left money. How much Apus and Totapuri does he buy? Answer number 5. Rakesh Bhai has rupees 240, right? And he buys Apus mango 1/4 of he has money. 1/4 into 240. Therefore 4 16s are तो आंसर आएगा 60. राकेश भाई हैज़ रुपीज़ 240, सो रेस्ट ऑफ मनी 180. 140 minus 60. The rate of rupees 45 Totapuri mango is equal to 1 kg. Therefore, the rate of the 180 rupees 180 at Totapuri mango is equal to 180 divided by 45. Therefore, 4 kg. Answer number 6. Sanjay bhai buys 4 kg Apus mango, 1/2 kg Badam mango and 1/2 kg Kesar mango. How much amount will he pay to the shopkeeper? Answer number 6. 1 kg of Apus mango is equal to rupees 60. Therefore, 4 kg of Apus mango is equal to rupees 60 into 4 kg is equal to rupees 240. 1 kg of Badam mango is equal to 70 rupees. Therefore, 1/2 kg of Badam mango is equal to 70 into 1/2. 70 into 1/2 करेंगे तो 35 आएगा. नेक्स्ट, द kg of 1 kg of केसर मैंगो इज इक्वल टू 140. देयरफॉर हाफ kg of केसर मैंगो इज इक्वल टू 140 इंटू 1/2. 70 2 जा 140. So Sanjay bhai will pay to the shopkeeper Apus mangoes is equal to 240 plus Badam mango is equal to 35 and Kesar mango is equal to 70 rupees. Therefore, total he will pay rupees 345. Okay friends, bye.